Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable notifications from Apple suggestions on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit and go to the Siri and search. While you are here, go down and here you have this section of suggestions from Apple. So if you don't want to get any notifications, just turn this feature off, and now you are not going to get any notifications from suggestions from Apple. Now they are on and now they are off. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel.